Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you. We're diving into some of the coolest and most useful gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. These are smart, unique, and budget-friendly products that can upgrade your daily life in ways you didn't even expect. So sit back, hit that like button, and let's jump straight into the world of amazing Amazon gadgets. All products link in description. Number 1. Meet one of the smartest portable setups you'll ever carry. A foldable Bluetooth keyboard and mouse that literally fits in your pocket. If you're someone who works on the go, cafes, trains, airports, this tiny kit is about to become your productivity superpower. The keyboard unfolds into a full-size typing experience with smooth, responsive keys. It connects instantly to your phone, tablet, or laptop. No drivers, no waiting. Perfect for students, travelers, writers, remote workers, basically anyone who wants a real keyboard without carrying a bulky laptop setup. Number 2. This tiny gadget might just be the most powerful cable you'll ever own. The Incharge X. It's not just a cable, it's a 6-in-1 fast-charging beast that fits on your keychain. You get USB-A, USB-C, Lightning, basically any combination you need to charge any device anywhere. Forgot your cable? Doesn't matter. It's already on your keys. The best part? It supports 100-watt fast charging, meaning it can even power your laptop. Yes, from a cable this small. Number 3. This is the mini sticker thermal printer, your portable creativity machine. It prints notes, labels, doodles, QR codes, and journal designs instantly from your phone. No ink, no cartridges, just thermal sticker rolls. Connect via Bluetooth. Choose your design and print anywhere. Perfect for students, journaling lovers, and small businesses. Small, fun, and super useful. This tiny printer brings your ideas to life. Number 4. This is the WILIT Foldable LED desk lamp, designed for compact, portable lighting. It folds completely flat, making it perfect for travel and small desks. With adjustable brightness and color temperatures, it suits studying, working, or night reading. USB-powered, easy to carry, and flexible for perfect angles. If you want a sleek, space-saving lamp with great lighting control, this one delivers. Number 5. This clever gadget is the key-shaped pocket multi-tool. It looks like a normal key but hides multiple tools. Screwdrivers, bottle opener, mini blades, pry tools, and more. Made from stainless steel, super compact, and attaches to your keychain. Great for quick fixes, boxes, travel, and everyday carry. If you want a tiny tool that's always with you, this key-shaped multi-tool is perfect. Number 6. Meet the GoPro. Hero 13 Black, built for adventure. It shoots ultra-sharp 5K plus video, crisp photos, and has next-level stabilization. Better colors, better low-light performance, and faster processing than before. Waterproof, rugged, and voice-controlled, ideal for travel, POV shots, biking, hiking, and more. If you want cinematic footage from a tiny camera, the Hero 13 Black is unbeatable. Number 7. This is the Tounee Keyboard Cleaning Kit, your all-in-one gadget cleaner. It comes with brushes, microfiber tools, cleaning gel, and keycap tools to reach every corner. Perfect for keyboards, laptops, earbuds, cameras, and controllers. Lightweight, compact, and perfect for maintaining your tech. If you want your devices spotless and fresh, this cleaning kit is a great pick. Number 8. Stop wasting money on disposable air cans. Meet the WOLFBOX MF50 electric air duster. It blasts strong, adjustable airflow for cleaning keyboards, PC cases, vents, car interiors, and more. Rechargeable, eco-friendly, and way more powerful than traditional dusters. Comes with multiple nozzles for different cleaning tasks. If you want a long-lasting, high-powered dust removal tool, this is the one. Number 9. Meet the HOTO laser measure. The easiest way to measure anything with one tap. It gives instant laser-accurate readings, stores past measurements, and has a bright LED display you can see anywhere. Perfect for home setup, DIY, and interior work. Compact, rechargeable, and super precise. The modern replacement for tape measures. Number 10. These LED flashlight gloves turn your hands into mini flashlights. Perfect for fixing things at night, camping, wiring, or searching in dark corners. They're lightweight, stretchy, and super bright. No need to hold a flashlight anymore. Where your hands go, the light goes. Number 11. These AI hand warmers heat up in seconds and auto-adjust based on your surroundings. Dual-sided heat keeps both hands warm instantly. Rechargeable, long-lasting, and perfect for travel, winter, or outdoor work. Small gadget, big comfort. Number 12. The ONO Roller is a silent 360-degree fidget tool designed to reduce stress and improve focus. Smooth, addictive, and premium in the hand. Perfect for work, study, or travel. Keeps your mind calm without noise. The grown-up fidget gadget. Number 13. AirFly Pro 2 lets you use wireless earbuds anywhere. Airplanes, gym TVs, gaming consoles, treadmills. Just plug it into any 3.5mm jack, and it becomes a Bluetooth transmitter. Supports 2 headphones, has long battery life, and is ultra-compact. A must-have travel gadget. Number 14. These AI smart glasses bring a personal assistant right into your eyewear. Ask questions, get reminders, translate text, listen to music, and take calls. All hands-free. Lightweight, stylish, and super smart. Futuristic tech in a normal-looking frame. Number 15. SwitchBot 2025 makes any curtain smart in minutes. Clip it on, connect the app, and your curtains open and close automatically. Set schedules, use voice control, or automate with sunlight. Instant home automation without replacing anything. Number 16. A compact chainsaw with big power. Cuts branches and wood effortlessly with one hand. Safe lock, guard cover, long battery life, and low noise. Perfect for gardening and backyard maintenance. Number 17. A tripod, selfie stick, and remote. All in one. 360-degree rotation, extendable height, and super stable legs. Great for vlogging, reels, group shots, and travel. Pocket-sized tool for clean, steady videos. Number 18. More than a wallet, it's a magnetic stand for your iPhone. Holds cards, snaps securely, and lets you watch videos vertically or horizontally. Slim, minimal, and perfect for everyday carry. One snap, 3 functions. Number 19. The DJI Mini 4K. The Mini 4K is a compact drone from DJI, weighing under 249 grams, which makes it super light and easy to carry around. Its small size often means less regulatory hassle. In many countries, you don't need heavy registration. A big plus if you want to fly for fun or travel. The drone shoots 4K video at up to 30 frames per second and stills at 12 megapixels. Delivers sharp and vibrant footage, enough for YouTube travel, landscape content, or casual cinematic shots. Folding design plus lightweight equals fits in a backpack. Ideal for travel, hikes, vacations, or quick city flights. Number 20 camera. Want powerful, rugged sound that travels with you? Meet this tiny beast, the DeWalt wearable Bluetooth speaker. Right away, you notice how small and light it is. According to the specs, it weighs under 2 ounces, so it barely adds any weight if clipped on a shirt or belt. The build feels rugged. The clip is sturdy, and there's an added footer, so you can also place it on a flat surface. Bluetooth with a range of up to 100 feet. You can connect your phone or tablet and roam freely. Battery life. About 10 hours of continuous playback or 8 hours talk time on a single charge. That's decent for a small wearable speaker. It has an IP56 rating, meaning it's protected against dust and water splashes. It's practical and easy to carry, it is, especially for work, travel, or on-the-go use. So, these are some cool gadgets you can buy on Amazon. If you like this video and found a little interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.